Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to create a payment link in PayPal, and to do so it's very easy. You just have to go to your home page and then go to request. After that, just go to share your profile or share your personal profile. Now here you will have the edit your profile page. You can of course make your profile, make a great name or a great profile picture or whatever. Just make your profile that will appear for everyone, and then click on this little arrow to share your profile, as you can see on the screen right now, and you will have these choices to share your link, either to copy the link or Facebook, Messenger, Twitter, etc. So just go to copy link for example, and then you can just check if it's working or not by opening a private browser and pasting what you just copied. And that's it. Now you will find your profile and people can send you money freely. That's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.